Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Pocket Matix trading bot. Alright, so let's begin with the video. We are going to talk about the Pocket Matix trading bots application, what exactly this app is, how it works, and how you can use it effectively and safely. Let's dive in and explore it in detail. Pocketmatics is essentially a smart trading application that allows you to automatically manage your investment portfolio using AI-powered bots and advanced trading tools. The app is designed to simplify trading for users by automating the entire process while still giving you full control over your portfolio. With its built-in smart bots and various technical indicators, even beginners can start experimenting with different trading strategies without needing extensive prior experience. When you open the app for the first time, it might take a few seconds to load. Once loaded, you'll be introduced to its clean and user-friendly interface. The app offers features such as automate your trades, fully automated trading through advanced algorithms, use advanced techniques and indicators, access a variety of analytical tools to improve your trades, quick setup. You can set up and run your first trading bot in less than 5 minutes. The first step to get started is creating an account. This is simple. You just need to enter your email address, set up a secure password, and click on Open an account. Once your account is created, you're ready to start exploring the platform. When you log in, you'll see a demo account that comes preloaded with a virtual balance of $50,000. This demo feature is extremely helpful for beginners as it allows you to practice trading without risking any real money. You can try out different trading strategies, learn how the bots work, and become familiar with the platform's features before committing your actual funds. Your real account balance will initially show zero, and to start real trading, you'll need to add funds. The app offers multiple deposit methods for your convenience, and currently the minimum deposit is $1,000. However, it's strongly recommended that you practice thoroughly with the demo account before depositing any real money. The app supports various asset classes including forex, shares, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. When you select forex, for example, you'll see a list of currency pairs to trade. Similarly, for shares, you can trade stocks of companies like Apple, Amazon, and Netflix. The platform allows you to open the live chart for any asset you wish to trade, giving you real-time price movements. Trading itself is quite straightforward. You can select your trade duration, which by default is 5 seconds for quick trades. Then you enter the amount you want to trade. For instance, you can set the amount to $5 or any amount allowed by the platform. The app also displays the potential payout and profit percentage based on the current market conditions. For example, if you place a $10 trade with an 69% winning chance, you might earn a return of approx $17 with a profit of $6. When you're ready to place a trade, you have two options. Buy green button if you believe the price will go up. Sell red button if you believe the price will go down. The app also shows the estimated winning probability for each trade to help guide your decision. In my testing, after placing a few trades based on the provided signals, I was able to win multiple times as predicted. One of the key features of Pocketmatics is the trading robot section where you can configure automated bots. You can start trades automatically with predefined settings, for example, trading $10 amounts for 1 minute durations. This feature is particularly useful for users who prefer automated strategies over manual trading. The platform also provides dedicated customer support where you can chat with representatives for any assistance you may need. In your account section, you can view your full profile, including total earnings, deposits, trading history, settings, and an option to log out. The app also maintains detailed records of your performance to help you analyze and improve your trading strategies. Important caution: before you start trading with real money, it's crucial to fully understand how trading works. While the demo account may give you confidence by showing regular profits, trading with real money carries genuine financial risk. Many beginners make the mistake of jumping straight into real trading after seeing profits on the demo account, but real markets are far more unpredictable. Without proper knowledge, you may end up losing a significant amount of your capital. Therefore, I highly recommend that you first educate yourself thoroughly about trading principles, learn how market indicators work, study risk management techniques, and develop a tested strategy. There are many educational channels, courses, and communities that provide excellent guidance for learning proper trading methods. In conclusion, Pocketmatics offers a powerful and user-friendly platform for those interested in automated trading. However, like any trading platform, success depends heavily on your understanding, discipline, and preparation. Never trade based on pure luck or emotions, always trade with knowledge and caution. So that's basically how you can use Pocketmatics trading bot. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.